In this quick guide, we'll show you how to use TeamChat in teamwork.com so you can improve your team's communication and collaboration. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking to maximize your usage, you'll want to stick around till the end for an exclusive bonus on using this software for free. TeamChat in teamwork.com is an essential tool that helps keep your entire team connected in real time. Whether you're working with a small team or across multiple departments, it enables easy communication without interrupting your workflow. It's like having your team's conversation hub right within the project management tool itself. So let's dive into how to use TeamChat effectively. First, after logging into teamwork.com, you'll see the chat tab on the left-hand side. This is where all the magic happens. Click on it to open your team's communication panel. Here, you can either join existing channels or create new ones for specific topics or projects. Channels are the backbone of TeamChat, helping you keep discussions organized. You can create channels for each department, project, or any specific subject that requires focused attention. Within these channels, you'll be able to send messages in real time. This is perfect for teams who need to communicate quickly and efficiently without switching between different apps or tools. If you want to make sure important messages don't get lost, you can pin important conversations to the top or even use the star feature to highlight key messages. Another powerful feature is the ability to mention team members directly. By typing I followed by their name, you can notify them directly, ensuring that they're aware of important updates. This saves time because instead of waiting for them to scroll through a bunch of messages, they get alerted instantly. But it doesn't stop there. TeamChat allows you to attach files, links, and images. This is especially useful for sharing documents, screenshots, or any other resources that could be relevant to the conversation. It keeps everything in one place, so your team doesn't have to go hunting through emails or other platforms. You can also integrate TeamChat with your other project management tools. For example, if you're working on a task within teamwork.com and need to communicate about it, you can link the task directly in the chat. This creates a seamless workflow where all the information you need is connected and easily accessible. As for privacy, TeamChat offers the option to create private channels. These are useful for confidential discussions or groups that don't need to be part of broader project channels. You can manage who has access and keep sensitive information secure. Now, here's something you'll definitely want to know. We have an exclusive offer for you. By using the link in the description below, you can start using teamwork.com for free with a special extended trial. This way, you can get a feel for the software and decide if it fits your team's needs before committing. To wrap up, TeamChat in teamwork.com is an essential tool for streamlining communication, keeping everyone aligned and reducing the noise of irrelevant messages. Whether you're collaborating on tasks, sharing files, or just discussing ideas, TeamChat helps your team stay organized and on track. Remember, you can start using teamwork.com with an exclusive extended free trial, so don't miss out on that link in the description.